Hi, my name is Dani. I live in a small village in Pakistan. Today I want to show you my home, not just the walls, but the life that lives within them. This is not a rich person's house, but it's full of love, warmth, and above all, gratitude to Allah. This is the first room, my mother's room. There's a bed here, a wooden chest, we call it a pity, where she keeps old clothes, blankets, and gifts she received at the time of marriage. There's also a glass showcase and a big traditional grain storage box, called parola, parola, where we store waste after the harvest season. The fan runs slowly, the ceiling is cracked in places, but we are thankful for what we have because gratitude is greater than luxury. This is the second room, the middle room of our house. Here my grandmother and uncle Taya Abu live together. It's a shared space for both of them. There are two traditional beds, one for grandma and one for my uncle. The room is simple with cracked walls and an old ceilings. This room is also about 10 to 15 feet long and around 6 feet wide, just like the others, but it holds pieces, love, and all blessing, and we are happy with what we have. Number 3 room. This is our third room, what we call the extra room. It's not used for sleeping every day. Mostly we keep old new newspapers, clothes, and small household items here. My mother and sister usually spend time in this room, something folding clothes, some things chatting, or doing little home chores. This room is quiet, peaceful, and still an important part of our home. I don't want to make this video too long. Today I will show you half of my home. In the next video I will show you our courtyard, the place where we sleep during hot summer nights, and the area where we keep our goats and small animals. These animals are not just milk, they are a part of our family. Closing message: if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a comment. Your comments is your voice, and it's gives me strength to keep going. Like the videos and subscribes to my channel and share it with your friends so the world can see that a small creator from a small village in Pakistan is trying to show real life from the heart. My English might not be perfect, but my intellect in Urdu, then translated into English and recorded it in my own voice. Just I share my truth with you. Always thankful. Thank Allah of what you have, and please pray that He makes life for everyone. See you in the next video. Take care. Good luck.